ओके, तो अभी हम लोग सेशन 11 ऑफ द CIT बेस CIT स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। स्टार्ट। तो पहला है ड्राफ्ट एंड सेंड सिंपल ईमेल। स्टार्ट। What does email stand for? Electronic mail. Which of the following is a popular email service? Gmail. You should share your email password with friends. False. You can attach files to an email. True. Match the email fields with their purpose. 2. Main recipient CC, copy to others BCC, hidden copy, and subject is the title of email. Click to reveal, just click it. Next, drag the items to match the email address: inbox, receive mails, sent, emails you have sent, draft, unsent emails. Click to the compose button on the inbox interface. Compose. Why is it important to use a strong password for email? Make it difficult to others to access easily. What are folders used for in Gmail? To categorize it. थोड़ा सा आप लोग बात करना बंद कीजिएगा। वीडियो प्ले हो रहा है, वीडियो प्ले करेंगे पूरा। Okay, have you watched the solution? Take out and draft an email. Take out. Next, describe how to draft an email. Click on compose. Compose mail. Write a subject line. Write a body. Write a subject line. Greeting. Body. Closing and signature. Then click on send. Submit. So I say next. Okay, attach to file to an email and send it. Start what is required to create a Gmail account? Your browser. Which of the following makes a strong password? Letter, number and symbols. Emails are slower than letters. False. We can send folder via emails. True. False, false, false. Arrange the steps to create a Gmail account in order to. Firstly, open browser. Go to gmail.com. Click to create account. Agree to terms. Fill the form and click next. Okay. Fill the form. Correct. Click to review, just click it. Next, click the correct statement, choose all correct options. Use a clear subject line, true. Write in all capital, false. Check spelling before sending, always add jokes, false. Click to reveal, just click it. Next, describe the steps to recover forget password. Click on forget password. Write your mobile number. OTP is sent to your number. Fill the OTP in OTP box. Then click on create new password. Submit. वीडियो सॉल्यूशन वीडियो पूरा प्ले होगा. Have you watched the simulation? True. Have you watched the simple document attached? True. Describe how to attach a simple document in email template. Click on compose. In the down area, there is a clip sign. Click on clip. Attach your file. Next. Next, last complete organize emails using folder and labels. Start. Which tab should you click to change your Gmail password? Forget नहीं है तो जनरल अकाउंट सिक्योरिटी और इनबॉक्स टैब क्लिक ऑन चेंज ईमेल. आई थिंक जनरल, सॉरी ये अकाउंट सिक्योरिटी टैब. सिक्योरिटी. What is the main benefit of using label in Gmail? Categorize email without moving them. Spam email can sometimes continue harmful rings. Yeah, true. Identify the clip icon to attach. There is a clip icon. Match the safety practices with the description. Two-step verification. Extra login code. Antivirus software. Protect device. Spam filters. Detect unwanted emails and block sender. Stop getting emails. Arrange the part of a professional mail. The first is that subject line, greeting, body, closing, signature. What precautions should you take to avoid phishing emails? Do not share your personal information to anyone. Click on where to check spam folder in email. There is spam. Click to reveal. Just click it. Video simulation. Video play होगा पूरा. Take out. Next, describe how to categorize email by dragging them into right folder. Click on email, drag it to the level where you want to put this image and drop it. Next, okay, next, report, identify and report spam and phishing emails. Start. Which icon do you use to label an email in Gmail? Tag. Match the part of the window with their function. Polite start, greeting, main message, body, signature, contact information. Put these actions in order to apply a filter in Gmail. Click on setting, go to filter, create new filter, add rules, apply labels. Which of these is an email mistake? Using capital letter for everything. You should delete spam emails. True. A recovery email help reset your password. True. How can you organizing your inbox help reduce stress? By labeling them. Explain the use of filters in Gmail. We can categorize it. You should use the same password for all accounts. False. वीडियो सॉल्यूशन, वीडियो प्ले होगा, पूरा वीडियो प्ले होने लगा। Have you watched the video simulation? Have you practiced offline? 7/7 next. ओके, इस तरह हमने CIT सेशन 11 कंप्लीट किया। और